Hi everybody, Mindy with Sew Steady and the Gumdrop quilt. I've got it all bound together, meaning with fusible batting. My backing is on here, and we're now ready to start quilting. I actually kind of started quilting and my microphone wasn't working. So you're gonna come into the middle of this. I have decided on 5.5-inch squares, which means that I am going to be doing quite a bit of hooping, but I did decide that I needed to use my magnetic hoop, so I really keep it on the machine and I'm just manipulating the fabric for that, so it really goes a lot faster. All right, that's our second row of 3. Let's keep this party going. Let's go back down to the bottom here, pull it over, get the fabric rearranged back there. There we go. All right, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to get that one back there. We're going to take it and bend it at an angle. I'm going to put a pin in here. Let's finger press it. There we go. Okay, everybody, here it is, all completed. The gumdrop quilt, and we quilted that with the BT1 embroidery design. And yeah, it's all done.